So here we are in the garden, and I've been to Costa Coffee this morning, and I tell you what, I asked them very nicely if I could have some of their, not just their plastic, I've got some of their coffee. Costa Coffee, there's a couple of little jam jars in there, I'll take those out. This is stuff for my beautiful rhubarb and my beautiful globe artichokes, or cardoons. Take the plastic out. Sometimes I put this coffee straight into the wormery or the compost bin, but in this case it's very nitrogen rich. I'm going to put it amongst the rhubarb as a mulch, as a slow release fertiliser, and it might even wake everything up. You never know. There we are. And I've got a separate use for all this plastic. I'm making shed insulation for it as well. So it's just had a downpour of rain, bit of compost there and a few of those coffee pods as well. Just break those up. And lovely dirty hands, how I like it. So there we are, that's gonna wake up the blackbirds when they're foraging for worms tomorrow and tonight at dusk. So there we are, that's my Tuesday tip.